Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on infinite flight. First, ensure your mobile device or computer has Bluetooth enabled. Then, grab your PS4 controller and press, and hold the share button and the PlayStation button together for about 3 seconds. You'll see the light bar on the controller start flashing quickly, which means it's ready to pair. Finally, open your device's Bluetooth settings and select Wireless Controller to connect. Once your PS4 controller is successfully paired, launch the Infinite Flight application. Inside the game, head over to the Settings menu, usually found on the main screen. From there, you'll want to find the Controls tab. This section allows you to customize how you interact with the aircraft. Make sure to select Controller as your primary input method to enable the PS4 controller's functionality. Now for the fun part, customizing your controls. Within the Controls tab, you can assign various flight functions to your PS4 controller's buttons and sticks. It's recommended to map pitch and roll to the left analog stick and yaw to the right analog stick for intuitive flight. Don't forget to set up your throttle control, perhaps on the L2 and R2 triggers, for precise speed adjustments. Save your profile to enjoy consistent settings. To truly enhance your infinite flight experience, consider fine-tuning the sensitivity settings for your controller. This allows for more precise and responsive aircraft movements. Don't hesitate to experiment with different button assignments to find what feels most comfortable and natural for your flying style. The controller's vibration feedback can also add to the immersion, making your flights feel more realistic. Practice regularly to master your new setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.